Tonight, families affected by drivers using fentanyl and other drugs are calling for new legislation against drugged driving. Thanks so much for staying with us. I'm Corey Chambers.
And I'm Erin E. LeBeau. The penalties for drinking and driving are stiff, but driving when you're under a different influence is different. Now, James Ford is live in Garden City, Long Island with more on this. James.
Oh, there's something called the Deadly Driving Bill. It's meant to prevent deadly driving by people abusing fentanyl and other non-alcoholic substances. Defending this new bill, families who know this situation all too well. You can see that this SUV displayed by state troopers was involved in a horrific crash, but nobody can feel what this couple does, even as they feel it literally. The parents of 22-year-old Timothy Carpenter clutch his photo as they touch the seat where, last March, their only son was hit by a driver who doctors determined was high on fentanyl.
He could not have been charged with drug driving because the police would not have been able to name the drug that was making him so high and so dangerous. And that's insane.
His family was talking about current driving while impaired laws that have severe penalties if cops pull you over and alcohol over the legal limit is detected. But a driver impaired by any other substance?
That drug must be on a specific list. So for instance, if a person is impaired by the use of Rohypnol, that person cannot be prosecuted under New York state law. That's wrong.
Suffolk County's DA was joined by other Long Island leaders and a handful of other families impacted by DWI cases to call for this proposed New York state legislation. The bill makes it easier to determine if an impaired driver has been using drugs.
Our numbers are the highest they've been since Andrew was born.
The mother of Andrew McMorris, killed by a drunk driver who ran into the 12-year-old and his Boy Scout troop 5 years ago, supported the Carpenter family as they saw the truck troopers say a man drove impaired, killing the Carpenter's son, Timothy. All the family said it's a reminder in the busiest driving week that impaired driving leaves tragedies.
They need to resonate long enough so someone can make that quick, easy choice of not getting behind the wheel after drinking or taking drugs.
And all of these families here on Long Island say they will join a statewide rally for this bill in Albany on January 9th. Reporting live from Garden City, Long Island, I'm James Ford, Pix 11 News.